let's go back to Carinthia, because now, well, here you see that. So whoever wants to join at the cooking challenge, here we have two subjects. Jürgen Holzbauer will present them. This is the air fryer. We also have a device here, and Jürgen will present this air fryer. And Jürgen will also present what is the second challenge in order to work with innovative technology around cooking and food and find a few innovative solutions. Jürgen, please give us your pitch. So hello, this is Domestic Appliances Philips. For the challenge boot camp, we have a twofold challenge prepared for you. First, I would like to say we are a cool enterprise. That's why we were bought by an investor, the Hill House Capital investor, and also Burton shoes belong to us, and also domestic appliances of Philips, small domestic appliances. We are a unit, and we are the second biggest developer, producer for small household gadgets, appliances everywhere. There is also a French company and Midea, which is a Chinese company. So we are quite well represented all over the world. Here a few impressions about our products. Small household appliances means no fridges, no washing machines, but we offer vacuum cleaners for the new bagless vacuum cleaner, and this is the newest vacuum cleaner, the so-called sticks, where you are having the suction at the grip and you just work with this prolongation. Then in our portfolio, we also have irons, standard ones, then steam irons, and also brushes, steam brushes, where you just use steam for your clothes. Then we also have what we would like to show in Carinthia, well, are the cooking devices. Well, it's a manual blender, a machine blender for smoothies, then different cooking machines, processors, and now also cooking devices. I will talk about that in a minute. We are also offering coffee machines with Faeco and Philips. But now let's talk about the challenge. We of Philips Domestics, we just think that cooking at home is healthy, is good for you. And that's why we want to support our customers to get your good nutrients and well, and also maybe cook more with plants, less with meat. And this is also important. Well, just avoid throwing away food. So the ideal thing would be zero waste. One of our flagship products is the so-called air fryer. This is a cooking device which was developed for Fritz to just fry them without oil, only with hot air. And you fry without oil, only with hot air. You just need a very thin layer of oil on the surface, and you get chips and chicken and things like that. Well, during the development, we found out that the product is not be available for chips or Jürgen. It's an universal cooking device. You can also produce cooked spread and also cakes, vegetable, meat. So we also have now, we offer also recipes now with hundreds of recipes. And this is the first challenge. The first challenge is concerning the air fryer. We want to get ideas of creative cooks. What else can be prepared in that air fryer? New recipes, maybe additional gadgets or appliances to produce this, the so-called accessories, whatever you think. And the third is to improve our digital app, because besides recommending recipes and meals, we want to give the cook the possibility to get all his food stuff on a mobile phone. So it's difficult, of course, to get all these nutrients into the data system. So normally you have to do it at the cashier. At the cash point, you must have a barcode scanner for every food. And you should do this for your own stock. And we expect now of the young creative natives, well, the new natives, maybe you can develop solutions how this checking in of food stuff can be made as simple as possible, not using a barcode or something like that. Because when you can have all your food now in your system, in your data system, then you can ask, just tell me, propose a meal, and the system knows what is at home, what I have to buy. And this should be made available with that tool. That's all from my side. I hope we can find participants of our challenge here in Klagenfurt. Of course, we work with this digital packing in of food stuff. Thanks, Jürgen Hofbauer and the Makerspace in Carinthia. He is head of the departments of Philips Household Appliances.